Tovertafel is a series of interactive games that we develop for people with dementia to stimulate them for more physical activity, more social interaction and also more mental stimulation. Tovertafel is a box that is mounted to the ceiling, and we use infrared sensors to detect your hand movements. A projector makes light animations on the table so we can play with light. You can play in a group, you can play one-on-one. It can really support the carers in providing high quality and very personal care.
I think the Tovertafel's amazing. I think it's really wonderful that they've got this facility for the elderly. I think it's lovely to see everybody all around the table together, interacting. We've got a different variety of games which really suits everybody's needs. Everybody can join in. Well, they play it daily, the Tovertafel's on every day. Obviously we have an activities team in and the carers are able to interact as well. All the staff know how to work the Tovertafel, it's very easy to use. It's just wonderful, it really is.
Some people, I think, find it fascinating just to watch it. They not necessarily want to touch the table, but they're fascinated with the movement and the light. And it seems to calm people down, that's what I've noticed, people that maybe get agitated. And there's a nice feeling of calm around the table. And then you have some people that are actually engaging with the game and bashing on the table and trying to make things work. But the nicest thing about it is we're all sitting around a table and everybody can have a go at it. And because you're using your hand on somebody else's hand, you can play together, which is really nice because you've got the contact, and also you're playing a game together, which is fun.
There's lots of variety of games at the Tovertafel, and there is a really popular one at the moment with it being autumn, and that's a game with the leaves, which they find really relaxing, and you touch the table. And there's some little creatures that they have to find, so they're quite happy with that one.
I think of all the games that we've played, my favourite is Bubbles, because the residents really enjoy the sound of as the bubbles separate out, and it's quite a fast-moving game too, and it seems lots of activity on the table with all the bubbles, so that's the favourite game.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine, dried up all the rain, and the incy-wincy spider climbed the pipe again.
Oh, very good.
And it's exciting because it's different, because it's technology bringing people with difficulties to the centre and enjoying something new, which they haven't seen before, and that's why I like it.